Oh, we got some more work done on this car today. Got the subframe finished, bolted in most of the way. Axle's fitted under it, dangling by the struts. And now we're going to switch over to where the welding machine went, where this power cable goes. There's a 12 gauge extension cord saddled up all the way around the ground, plugged into the 250 volt line. And the welder here. Got the dial set to 75 amps. We got a little bracket right there fitted up with some twine. And we got that one welded up. I don't seem to notice any welding performance change over running it with the extension cord or straight into the wall for that 3/32 6010 Chinese rod anyways. And the next thing we got to weld in is these lower control arms right here that have the adjustable ends on them. And we got the Chinese welding rod 6010s finished up. The two brackets on each side. There was a 1/4 inch gap on the one back there, but filled those out pretty quick. Or on that side as well. And this thing's coming together pretty soon, I'm assuming. Gonna have to carve out the front bumper about like that or so the tires fit. Then once it gets weight on the axle, it'll go up about another 5 inches. Might have to lift the back end to match the front